Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can enhance your cell phone clicked image in SnapSeed. Before we begin, make sure you follow me on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, without wasting any further time, let's get started. So, I am taking this sunset image which is shot on my Nokia 6.1 Plus. Firstly, I will do some minimal changes to enhance the image. Go to Tools, Details, adjust the structure and sharpening to give some details in the image. Then we will straighten the angle and crop it as the Instagram standard post ratio. Now go to Tone Image, adjust ambience, warmth, shadows, highlights, some saturation and little bit of contrast, and done. Here go to double exposure, adjust it properly and done. Now go to view edits, select double exposure, edits, select invert so we can see everything clearly, and now start removing the extra part. To blend both the images properly, increase the double exposure and start merging the image. At last, to put some depth in the image, I will add vignette in it. Place the point properly and decrease the outer brightness. And here we go. We have a Insta post perfect picture.